Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Lady, oh my god, I'm gonna butcher this name, Dimitrescu. Sorry, I don't play it, okay? I've seen the character around, but this is just for a Halloween outfit on Dress to Impress. So let's get started. I'm just going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on, which is the hat, and the rest I did not make adjustments on. For the hair, I use this hair in the color black. Then I used this hat outside of VIP, sorry. In black, position the Y at 0.51, rotated the X to 0.49. For the outfit, I used this item in this color here, D5B297. Make sure you save that. I use this because of the ruffles. It's kind of important to the outfit. I also use this, which, oh, oops, forgot to color in the same color, which jacket. Then I use this skirt. This one, where is it? Oh, this one, in type 2. Just ignore the belt. And then I also used this skirt. Where is it? Oh, this one. And only skirt, no layer. Then I use this code item, the necklace, in this color, D5B297 in foil. And then I did not use shoes. I used this glove in the short toggle without fur in black. Then I went to VIP and I got this dress in the same color in matte. Then I also used these earrings in this color, 5F4937, and then D5B297. I think I did foil. You can do glitter as well. Let's do foil. For the flower, I used this one in the color 2C001F, 404040, 606060, 3F3F3F. Position the X to 0.42, Y at 0, Z 0.41. Rotated the X to 0.52, Y 0.47, Z to 0.5, and scale it down to 0.11. Last but not least, I used this and colored it black. If there was a pose to do it, it'd be better, but this is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.